welcome to my casa. Come on in. All right, so in here we have the kitchen. Nice countertop, has 2 chairs. We have a sink here. Plenty of shelving space for some things if you want to go to the store and buy some stuff. We have some coffee mugs here for you guys who drink coffee. Have a little coffee set up with some coffee bags with regular and decaf coffee and tea. We also have a container up here that has sugars, all different sorts of sugar. You have your regular sugar, some creamer, and some sweeteners. Salt and pepper shakers with some salt and pepper inside. You open this up here, have all of your eating utensils up there, some plates and glasses. Nice set of 4 for a family. And we have a full-size microwave. More shelving space up here if you want to store some things up there from the store. You have more cooking utensils here. A toaster, 2-slice toaster. We also have a nice dishwasher. Pretty modern dishwasher. Have some storage space down here that has a garbage scrub brush for cleaning your dishes. They provide you with a small bottle of Palmolive dishwashing detergent and some tablets to use in the dishwasher. On this side, we have a drawer, pull-out drawer. We have more eating and cooking utensils in there. It's good that they give this can opener because that's one thing that's hard to come by when you're on vacation. You have a bottle opener and knives. Down here, you have a few pots and pans down there to use if you need to cook something. Over here, we got more storage space, guys, and some other cooking utensil or cooking items used. Full-size fridge. Very nice, very clean. All right, and on this side of the room, we have a full-length mirror, you guys. So when you're getting ready in the morning or anytime during the day, you have a full-length mirror to see yourself. On this side of the room, you also have some hooks. You might want to hang your coats or bags or whatever. We have a full-size working table here, or so you have a table here that you can do some business at, take care of some work, whatever. Lamp, and this here is your full-length, well, I shouldn't say full-length couch. It's more like a love seat size sofa. It pulls out, it's a sofa bed. It pulls out to I believe this is a full-size sofa or full-size bed. Here we have just a foot bench. It doesn't open up. It doesn't have any storage or anything. And then we have a floor lamp here. It is functional. There you go. Then we have, I believe this here is a 45-inch TV. We haven't turned it on yet. Let's try it. And yes, it does work. All right. Out here, check out the view, guys. This hotel is located downtown. This is the Staybridge in downtown Seattle. And this is a view of the downtown area. And if you take a look that direction, you can see the Space Needle. I don't know if you guys can see that in the distance a little bit, but we have the Space Needle over there. So that's pretty neat. So this room has two separate areas. You have the living corridors that is separated by the bedroom, and it has a door that separates the two. And here is the sleeping corridors, which also has a 45, 48-inch TV. And we can test this one too, since we haven't tested this one yet. And it does work as well. So again, views of Seattle. On this side of the room, guys, we have a nightstand that's that flanks both sides of the bed. This is working bed lamp and reading light if you need a reading light. You also have a clock in case you need to keep a track of the time while you're here on a stay, business, vacation, whatever. You have your alarm clock. Full-size bed, nice and fluffy, super soft. Over here, again, same setup as the other side of the bed with your lamp and reading light. And then you also have your phone. Two pull-out drawers, well, one pull-out drawer on the nightstand. And over here, we have a wardrobe closet. Have some extra bedding, some extra linen for the bed, for the pull-out couch. And here you have a iron and board, plenty of hangers. And then we also have a safe. All right, guys. Now we have a Chester on this side with 3 pull-out drawers. So you get a decent amount of storage space. Another desk lamp. And then we're in the bathroom. You have a full-size shower with glass doors, nice and clean. Some shelves over here next to the shower if you need to store some things, and some hooks. That's good. Of course, your toilet and some more racks for your towels and things. And then your sink area. It's a decent sized sink area. You can't put too much up here, but it'll do. We also have a hair dryer, and they give you extra tissue and Kleenexes. And then that is all for our room tour, guys. So I want you guys to remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment below. Let us know if you have stayed here at the Staybridge in Seattle, and let us know how you liked your stay. Did you enjoy it? Would you recommend it? And come back and see us again in the future. All right, see you guys. Bye.